Mixed icon pack applications for Android are designed to customize the appearance of app icons on a device's home screen and app drawer. These packs offer a diverse collection of icons that blend different styles, colors, and themes, allowing users to create a unique and personalized aesthetic for their interface. The best mixed icon pack applications feature high-resolution icons, ensuring clarity and vibrant colors across various screen sizes. They often come with support for popular launchers, enabling easy integration and application. Users can typically find icons for a wide range of apps, including system apps and third-party applications, enhancing visual coherence. Additionally, these icon packs may offer customization options, such as icon size adjustment and the ability to choose specific icons for individual apps. This flexibility allows users to curate their home screens according to their preferences, making their devices not only functional but also visually appealing.